it's Sam. I'm so excited because today I'm going to be sharing a BoxyCharm skincare box with you guys. So this is the Boxy Limited Skincare. You guys, I got this a couple of weeks ago, so I've been trying a few of the products out just because I was like super excited about a few of them. I mean, I'm excited for all of them, but there was a few that really I've never tried and I really was interested to try them out. So this one is a limited quantity. So basically you need to act fast because these sell out really, really fast. Even BoxyCharm, like the subscription monthly, is selling out really quickly. So it's one of those things where I feel like if you want it, get it sooner than later because you might be really disappointed when it's sold out. So this is what your box looks like. It's full of just like skincare items, and I was so excited when I saw it when I first got it because everything was so pretty. Like, you guys know me, I'm weird about packaging. I'm like, oh, it's pink, it must be great. But there was like so many pink items in this box that I was like super excited. It just had like a really good springy vibe. Skincare is super pricey. Like, that's where I spend the majority of my money as far as like beauty products. They are so expensive. So this is such a good deal. If you are a skincare junkie, this is gonna be the one for you. You do get a little blurb about each item and like what it does, the price on all of them. So the very first thing I wanna share, and I've actually been using this, so this is why I was so excited, because the box was pink. I know, I'm such a nerd. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, a pink box. I must try it. So this is the Kapari Coconut Cleansing Oil. It's supposed to purify and replenish. It's non-GMO, silicone-free, paraben-free, 5.1 ounces. So this originally retails for $32. That's what it looks like. It's got this kind of like silicone feeling little pink base. My voice is going. And then it does have a pump top, which is really great. You don't have to dig your hands into anything, which is kind of nice. It's time to break up with clogged pores. Your new Kapari Coconut Cleansing Oil gently kicks out the makeup, impurities, and environmental toxins that are living in and on your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. The restorative antioxidants brighten your complexion, leaving behind an even skin tone and a very soft surface. So I have been using this, you guys, and it is so amazing. I absolutely love it. It is like, well, first of all, it smells like you're on vacation, which is great. So yeah, it just smells like coconut. It's really yummy. It's kind of like a thinnish, oily, not super thin. I suppose it's like a medium like thickness as far as the oil goes, but you just squirt it out and then you put your hands together on like your makeup. You don't need to wash it first or get it wet. Just go straight in with dry hands and just massage all of your makeup off. And this is what I have been using now for the past few weeks. I would say it's probably about 2 weeks, and I love it. I have not had any breakouts. My skin's been really, really nice. It's been just like, it removes all of your makeup really well. I never use it on my eyes just because oils with my eyes just don't do well. So I always use like an eye makeup remover first. It's like more of a water. And then I've been using this to remove all of my foundation, and it works so, so well. Yeah, this is amazing. I highly recommend getting this box just for this because I love it so much. The next item is another pink box, and that's why I used it, because I'm so weird like that. So this one is the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub, and I saw the box and I was like, oh, it's pink stripes, how cute. It's a refining peel gel, and it also has like gold stripes on the box. Like, it's really cute. And the actual packaging itself is like this really pretty little pink, like a super light pink with kind of like pink waves. Doesn't that look so cute? Oh, and there's like a pink ducky. I didn't even notice the pink ducky. Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. This retails for $28. Gently and visibly remove, or I'm sorry, gently and visibly, remove impurities and dullness from your skin with your new Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Created with enzymes from papaya and pineapple extracts, this peel gel promotes an even skin tone and boosts skin's elasticity with a super peptide complex. So I've been using this about probably 3 times a week. It doesn't say how often to use it on, or maybe it says on the box. It says maybe used once or twice a week. Ooh, rebel, I've been using it 3 times a week. So this is really interesting because it's not like a scrub, but it kind of is like a scrub. So you put it on, and you put it on dry skin, and you massage it into your skin for 1 minute. And as you're massaging it, it doesn't feel like a scrub or rough or anything like that, but it does feel like it's an exfoliator, but like in a very gentle way. And then as you're rubbing it, it just like balls up, like the actual product balls up into little like balls of like, I don't know, just balls. And then you just keep on rubbing it, and then when you rinse it off, your skin looks super duper glowy. So I really like this one. I think it's really good if you are someone who has very sensitive skin and you are not super, like, you don't really like harsh scrubs. This is a great way to exfoliate very gently without actually using anything abrasive. Plus, I mean, how cute do these look on your counter, you guys? If I could just have every skincare product be pink, it would be amazing. Okay, the next thing I tried because it was Glam Glow, and Glam Glow has such great masks. So I don't think I've ever tried, I might have tried one of their serums in the past, but I've never tried this one before. So I was super excited when I saw this box. So the box looks like this, and it's basically just a white box with a tiny bit of pink and some silver. It's a cute little packaging. It's like a little silver bottle with like white, and it's really cute. So this one retails for $65. So right here, you guys, with this one product, you have paid for your entire box. So if you were to go out and buy this, because I'm like, oh, it's amazing, you would have only one product, and instead you could buy this box and you would have 8 products for the price of this. So this is amazing. I've been using this also for the last 2 weeks. This says that it's the new Glam Glow Super Serum, works to instantly clarify pores and plump fine lines. Powered by activated charcoal to refine pores and the Super 6 acid blend, a high potency complex of exfoliating AHAs, BHA, and PHA. It works on different layers of the skin to loosen dead skin cells, promote cell renewal, and even the look of dull skin tone and texture. This is amazing. I'm obsessed with this. It smells like licorice, like black licorice. It's weird because when it comes out, it's actually purple. Ooh, I don't want to spill this on my carpet. I don't even want to waste this. It's so beautiful. But it's like a purple, and I was like, oh, that's so weird. But yeah, when you smell it, to me, it smells exactly like black licorice. It's like a really nice serum. It absorbs so fast. It's great if you have oily skin. It is not going to make you any oilier because it just absorbs into the skin so well. And you can feel it working. Like, it has a lot of different acids in it. So like when you put it on, if you've had like a really good exfoliation and you put it on, you can feel it getting into your pores and, like, you know, kind of not tingling, but you can feel it. It's not, I don't want to say stinging, but it's like, for me, I like that feeling, so I'm like, yes, work, you know? It's like, for me, it makes me feel like something's working. But yeah, it's definitely not something that if like your skin is super sensitive and like everything you put on is like, youch, this is definitely gonna be youch for you, probably, because I'm not overly sensitive as far as like I put a lot of chemicals on my face, and like normally I'm fine. And this is still fine. It's not that it hurts. It's just I feel it working and I like that feeling, so it's fine for me. But if you're really sensitive and you don't like, you know, feeling that, then maybe not. I do feel like my lines haven't been quite as bad, especially on my forehead and on my under eyes. I am definitely due for the B word. It's been like 4 months now. I mean, you can see I have movement. And for a minute there, I was like, oh my God, I really need to get this done. Like, this is so bad. I can't even go any longer. And then I started using this, and like, I've been looking at my forehead and I'm like, it's really not that bad. Like, I think I can go a little bit longer. So like, I made my appointment a little bit later out because I don't think I need it that soon. And I think it's because of this. I mean, I use a lot of good skincare products, but I feel like adding this really has kind of plumped up those lines and just kind of made my skin look really, really, just like glowy, or like, I don't know, it's just, I've been getting so many compliments. My skin has been so nice lately. And like I said, I have a lot of different serums that I use. I'm obsessed with vitamin C. Like, I have a lot of good skincare products at the moment, but I feel like this definitely has made a difference. I love the fact that it has lactic, pyruvic, tartaric, I don't know, mandelic, glycolic, and salicylic acid. So it's great if you are someone who struggles with acne because it does have that salicylic acid in it. It's so good, you guys, and it has not broke me out. It has not made me oily. It's amazing. So I would highly recommend getting the box just for this item alone, because I feel like this actually has made a huge difference. Like, this is just a good cleansing oil. It gets your makeup off really well. This, I haven't seen a huge amount of difference, but I feel like right after you do it, your skin is glowy. But this, I feel like I have seen an actual difference in my skin since using it, and it's only been a couple of weeks. Okay, so the next item I didn't want to try because I wanted to show you like the packaging. It is so cute, and the kids actually had watermelon for breakfast. This is the Glow Recipe, which is a lovely brand. They've got some really pretty, I bought it because it's pink. Moisturizer and like a sleeping mask, and it's like a pink jar. It's so cute. Like, this is a really cute brand as well. And their stuff smells like watermelon, so it's really nice, super lovely. Jay actually loves their moisturizer. He stole it from me. I got it for myself, and then he ended up loving it because it's super duper lightweight and it absorbs really fast, and he's really weird about moisturizer, so he uses it currently. But this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. It's hydrating and soothing. It's got hyaluronic acid, Centella asiatica, and watermelon. And this retails for, look how cute this is. I love it. Let's see here. This is $16. It says hydrate, brighten, and soften your skin with a sheet mask literally like no other. Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Sheet Mask gets its jelliness and amino acid goodness from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum. Interesting. So there's 2 masks in this 1 pouch. That's really good. I guarantee it smells amazing. I'm not going to open it because I really want to use it. But maybe I'll like use it and then I'll share it on Instagram stories or something. But cute packaging. I mean, how adorable would that be for like a little gift as well? Oh, love it. Then we have the Elemis Superfood Night Cream Prebiotic Night Cream. Now, I've actually used Elemis in the past, so if you are someone who's a little bit more mature, or if you just don't have to worry about oily skin or acne, I think you'd really like this because it's great. I feel like it was really, really hydrating and nourishing. But this is $45. It says wake up with glowing, healthy looking skin every single day thanks to the newest member of your nighttime skincare routine. The Elemis Superfood Night Cream is packed with superfood lipids, chia, black seed, rice bran, and flaxseed oils that work all night long to keep your complexion intensely hydrated. The concentrated super grain complex replenishes your skin's barrier for a way smoother and way softer skin. Elemis is a beautiful brand. I have a lot of their products and it's really, really great. Next, we have the Farsali Jelly Beam. Now, you guys know I just recently got the Farsali Rose Gold Setting Mist, and that is amazing. So this I'm super excited about. Now, this one is the Jelly Beam Highlighter. So the packaging looks like this. So it's in this cute little jar and it has the gold top, and my camera does not want to focus on it, does it? Hello, there we go. So the top is gold and then the bottom is like a clear see-through so you can see it in there. This is $40 retail. It says you're definitely ready for this jelly. Your new Farsali Jelly Beam Highlighter applies as a gel and sets as a powder, always delivering a high shine finish. The concentrated pigment makes this product really versatile, letting you customize your glow. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. It's like literally jelly. It's wiggling like crazy. So it's kind of like a, oh, it's like a gold. It's like molten gold. It's wiggly in there. I think you guys can see it. I'm nervous. I need to like close it up before I spill it all over my outfit because I'm about to have an appointment to go get my nails done. Oh yeah, so it's basically just kind of like a champagne-y gold. Is it rose gold? I suppose it's more like a rose gold. Really pretty though. I mean, look at that. Ding, ding. It really catches the light. It's a nice texture. Doesn't feel like too slippery. It kind of just like goes into the skin. I think this would be beautiful to use on your like décolleté and like your shins in the summertime, the tops of your shoulders. You could just kind of add it over your moisturizer or like mix it in for that glow. There's my hand, regular, and there's this one. I mean, look at that. That's just so beautiful. Then we have the Caudalie Grape Water. This is for soothing and moisturizing. I've actually used this in the past and it is lovely. So this retails for $10. Extracted from French grapes, your new Caudalie Organic Grape Water helps increase hydration and reduce redness, safe for sensitive skin. The fragrance and preservative-free mist can be used as a toner, giving your skin lots of soothing, moisturizing love. So I actually love using these when you are at the beach or the pool. Pop it in your bag, and then whenever you're hot and you're just like, oh my god, I'm dying right now, just give yourself a mist, and it's like so refreshing and lovely. You can use this as a toner. I think I've even used this to like set my makeup before, and it's just like really, really nice to kind of like melt all your powders in. I've used it on my chest to kind of just like moisturize if I have tanner on and I just need a bit of moisture because I'm like, oh, I don't want to dry up, but you don't want to like rub it and ruin your tan. This is great as well. So these are awesome, and they're awesome to just keep in your purse, especially in the summertime if you're just like, you know, you're going to be outside and you're going to be hot. Just use it as a little refresher, and then it kind of adds a little moisture to your skin. It smells like water, so you don't even need to worry about a scent. Okay, last but not least, we have this little cosmetics jade roller. This retails for $32. Look at that baby. It's like a really pretty jade roller. I mean, you guys probably have, I feel like these were just like, what? everyone was talking about these. These are amazing if you keep them in the fridge. The tool your skincare routine has been missing. This Jade Crystal Facial Roller takes your skincare products to another level. By helping boost circulation and pushing your skin to absorb your products better, you'll experience a visible change in your skin's glow, your dark circles, and the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles. So this really does help to kind of get rid of any puffiness if you're feeling a little bit. Some days, like, you wake up and you're like, well, my face looks so like swollen, especially in the jowl area. I don't know why, it's super weird, but like I get puffy in this part of my face versus my under eyes. I don't know, my under eyes are like my good part of my face, but I always get puffy in this area. So this is great if you keep it in your fridge, and they do stay cold. Like, it's cold to the touch, but it warms up pretty quickly. So if you keep it in your fridge, it's so nice and cold. And then if you get puffy eyes, you can just, and it just removes any kind of puffiness, or like just if you're just feeling a little swollen. It's a lovely, it feels so good. It's super relaxing. You can do it at nighttime. You can do it in the morning. It's like a really nice, it adds a little extra step onto your routine. So I feel like for me, it's one of those things where like I need to like, okay, I'm taking the time today to do this. But even in the morning, if you're running a little late, just do a little quick underneath the eye, or like me, if you're just feeling a little puffy, just kind of roll it out. You can do your neck, like you can do your jaw. It's so nice. Like, these are really lovely. There's so many videos on how to jade roll, of like the techniques that you do, because there is a specific way. Like for me, I always just go up, like pull it all up. You don't want to be pushing it down. That way you're like, you know, teaching your face to be young and not like saggy. And then of course, like on your neck, or you can go this way. Like, it's just so relaxing. So give it a go if you haven't tried it and you do decide to get this box. I'm telling you, it really does feel amazing. And if you pop that sucker in the fridge, it is so nice, especially in the summer. I would literally sit outside while the kids were playing and put that thing in the fridge, and then just sit outside and watch them and just like roll my face like a weirdo. But it's so nice. It feels so good. So that's everything that came in my BoxyCharm skincare box. You guys, this is such a good deal. Like I said, if you're a skincare junkie and you know how expensive skincare can be, so many products for such a great price. And these are all like really high-end, like name brand products that you would get at Sephora. For me, this is the deal of the year as far as BoxyCharm goes. It's amazing. It's like so good. You're gonna get so many great products. Like when I was buying my Charlotte Tilbury, one moisturizer was $100, and you just got 8 amazing, really good products in here, because I know Elemis is pretty expensive, Glam Glow is definitely expensive. Like, there's some really great things in here. So I would say my 3 favorites, obviously just because I've been using them, have been these products: the Saturday Skin, the Kapari, and the Glam Glow. Amazing. These are just, I'm like obsessed with. And if you're new to my channel, I do have oily skin. It's gotten a lot less oily since I've moved here, but I still do have like combination skin, because now I'm in, like, for some reason, the humidity, my skin is like happier. Who knew? And I do have acne prone skin, and I do have like fine lines and wrinkles, aging, pigmentation, melasma. I have it all. And those 3 products are just amazing. So I will leave a link down below to get this BoxyCharm. Again, it is limited quantity, so if you guys want it, get it fast, because they're going to sell out really, really quickly. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.